We're at Kiki's Breakfast Diner. Sarah's got the world's biggest pancakes.
3 dustbin lid pancakes.
I got eggs Benny. Taste test with Mom. Ready? That's stunning.
In no words.
She loves these.
They are the best.
This is good. And a sody.
So freshly cooked.
Eggs Benny. Wow, that sauce looks good.
I'm so sad Jack's been poorly on his
Potatoes.
holiday.
Poorly boy.
Not bad for him.
10 out of 10. Everything that I've eaten so far, 10 out of 10. What about you?
Yeah, we've had good food, haven't we?
Lizard. We got the 4x4 if we want to off-road. Anybody want to do some off-roading? Coca-Cola. Girls trip to the Blizzard Beach. Hee-hee. Jack and Chloe don't want to join us because they hate us. I'm just kidding. I'm not sure.
Let's spoil the look a bit in our Jeep with a cushion behind my shoulders.
Yeah. Oh, it's blurry. Hi, morning. Thank you. You like my lizard top? Don't know if even showing anyone. Tom Lizard. Lizzie. My ticket. Hi, morning. Morning. Thank you. Oh. So cute. So cute. There you go. Slush and Gusher is closed.
We don't want to go on that anyway, do we?
Oh no, let's go on that.
Slush and Gusher, that's the deep one, isn't it?
It's a slide. The big slide.
Look at that mess.
You're not feeling that. Bye now, slay later. Oh, where do we get towels? Oh, here. Summer. La da 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 da. Where are we gonna sit?
We don't want to go too far, do we?
No, not really. We're lazy river gals. Oh yeah. Here, is this here? On the right?
Lockers and house.
Ah, look at these. Lada. Ooh, UV index 7. Summer! Is there a bathroom in here? So not much has happened since we went to Blizzard Beach. Just doing some shopping. But I have got the most almighty sized twisty treat. I got M&M's and Oreo. Currently on my own. The others are at an outlet that doesn't really have stuff I like. Ah, so good. We love twisty treat. I'll show you the building. This is a giant ice cream. Also, this is a small. It's the size of my big head. I went to Publix and got some freeze-dried strawberries and bananas for Hugo. And some Alani's. Hugo is my house rabbit, in case you didn't know him. Yeah. This is a very chill day today. We didn't have any plans. I think we're gonna go to Walmart and Target after this. So I'll show you my Walmart and Target hauls. Yeah, I'm literally just sat on the main road, look. Walmart's over there. I don't think that's the one we're going to. It's nice here. It's very hot today. I think it's 33 degrees at the minute. Oh yeah. That's my current vibe. Having an absolute blast. This ice cream is so good. It's like McFlurry but better. I just love it here. So yeah, see you in Walmart, I guess. Now I'm walking to meet the homies. Can't tell you how hot it is. I think it's like 34. It's so warm. I got a DC. But yeah, it's so warm. I don't even know if you can hear me because of all the cars on the road. Guess I'll find out when I watch this back. But yeah, this is where I am. I think this is called the Lake Buena Vista Outlets. It's only small. It's got like Under Armour, Tommy, Calvin Klein, stuff like that. Just a couple of things. But yeah, gonna go find them, see what they've got. The only thing I'd buy at this shop, this place, is I want some gibbets for my Crocs, some Winnie the Poohs. So maybe if they have them, I'll get them. But yeah, that's about it really. I like the bigger outlets. I don't really know what I'm gonna buy there. Who knows? So yeah, gonna go find them. Then I think we're going to Target and Walmart. But the ice cream was so good. So good. But kind of made me thirstier, so then I had to buy this Diet Coke. But yeah, it is very, very warm today. Look how blue the sky is. Woo! So yeah, let's go find them. Bye bye. Update, we didn't make it to Target. We're in urgent care.
We can vlog on urgent care later. We're very experienced now.
Gloss, you having fun?
So much fun.
In case you hadn't noticed, the patient is missing. It's Peanut. Not us. So yeah, we're having fun.
They got good moist towelettes.
Gloss has got her money's worth of moist towelettes. Come on. £1,000 for them. Come on. Good morning and reporting live from day 6. We have been to urgent care last night and Peanut is now thriving. Mom! Fuck off, Mom. So now we're going for breakfast. Shut up, Mom! At the Cracker Barrel. Who's excited for the Cracker Barrel?
I'm excited for the Cracker Barrel.
Gloss, you excited for the Cracker Barrel? That's me, that's not Gloss. Excited for the Cracker Barrel?
You excited?
She's not excited. She's not a breakfast girly. What the helly? Can't open my door. I got too much shit in my hands. But I got an Alani. 10 out of 10. Sherbet swell. Very warm. Very, very warm. The weather, not the Alani. Hold the line. Hold the line, please. What? Trying to get in this car is nuts. Look how high up it is. You have to do the long jump to get in it. I got too much. Welcome to day 6. Hopefully today will be better with no urgent care visits. Oh wait, we have to go back. What? Yeah, just leave it. It's fine.
Tiny bit.
We're at the Cracker Barrel for breakfast. Yay! Our favorite. Smells like grass. Hey, Mississippi girl.
Huh? Is it a lot?
Sherbet swell Alani going down like a treat. Delicious. It's another lovely day. Also, he closed the door on you. Savage. Do I need that capitilla for my garden? This shop is the best shop in the world. Candy. Candy, more candy. Pancake mix. Coming home with me. Don't worry, I didn't get you blown your nose. It was on the ceiling.
They do the peach French toast.
We love the Cracker Barrel. What'd you get?
Mama's pancake breakfast.
What'd you get?
Strawberry French toast.
What'd you get?
Biscuits.
I got biscuits and gravy. Bye.
Doesn't matter. Colour.
Who's gonna win? Says storming them out. Oh.
No, I think I've messed up.
Too late now.
I've massively messed up.
You gotta keep going.
Rubbish.
Is that it? 4.
Rubbish.
4 left for Sarah.
That one to there, to that one to there.
No, only one at a time.
Yeah. So the blue there goes to there.
Then that's isolated.
You're thinking about it too much.
Yeah,
Hold
this
on.
is far too in depth.
Oh, I thought it had to be the same colour.
No.
Oh.
Any. Oh.
Nah, balls up.
Have
Two,
ya?
Dad.
Oh. Oh, this could be alright. Maybe not. Let's give him 4 as well.
Let's give it 4. Yeah, you can only get 2 more.
Oh no. Ah, equal.
Right, Chloe and Laura.
Damn.
Damn.
4 to beat. Ho. Strawberry French toast for Fezzy
The
Wezzy.
sausage first.
Woo! Yeah, you have to eat the savoury really
I've got
quickly.
pancakes with eggs and bacon.
Oh no.
How do you like your eggs in the morning? Me and Chloe got nothing.
That isn't the cake.
Oh yeah, baby. Coming down.
Yeah, it's syrup on. What are you putting on your French toast?
Strawberries are nice.
Why are you leaving the bread till last?
Where's my dinner? Got my biscuits and gravy.
Nice.
And my hash brown casserole, eggs and bacon.
So you eat that like a sandwich.
Basically, what cake for breakfast.
cheesecake for breakfast.
The problem is?
This bacon is very crispy.
Noodles for lunch. It's nice. I like the biscuits, they're soft. Do they do like sauce or anything here?
Gravy.
HP.
Hey, ketchup. Oh, it's alright, I'll leave it like that.
Ooh, jelly. Great.
I knew straight away you was going to say HP.
Cowboy welly boots. Buff baby. This shop is my favorite. It's just stuff. I love the stuff. Huh? Anybody for a lettuce bowl? Totally awesome.
Anybody for a China pepper?
Snoopy, China pepper. Look at this guy. Look at this.
What about a China turtle?
Oh no, I locked the mushroom. Don't fall. Ah, it's a felly cat.
A China cricket.
A China cricket. That's so nice. Wow.
China
Turtle. China bowl. What you got?
The baby some cowboy boots.
Please buy them. Look at the sandals.
Actual ones here as well.
Look at the wellies. Look at these. These are cowboy boots.
Look at them.
Damn.
Normally cowboy boots.
The booties. Douche, you got the booty. Bessies. Hello. What's that? It's got back. Oh, I thought they were Sylvanian families.
Sorry, Henry.
Calico critters. Is that the same as a Sylvanian family? Yeah, get it? What is it? A mini Hoover? Yeah, hold on. Or a retro vacuum. Yeah, nice. 10 out of 10 shop, TBH. Do again.
Chloe. Chloe.
Buy it.
Chloe. I found a gift for winning.
Please buy that. Do again. No.
Have you seen the embroidery in the pea jumper?
No, let me go investigate. Where? Where, Chloe? Where? Oh. Wrong side. No, stop. That's nice. Oh, what's this? Oh, we need to put dish drying mat. Shall I? Oh, hello there. I've got a rumbly in my tumbly. That's nice. Cool. Winnie the Pooh. Deja Mu. Ah. Deja Mu is nuts. Oh, go. Shopping time. Can't see it. Where's the Winnie lug? No, 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 no. Must find, must find. Chloe, have you seen the Winnie lug? Where? Ah! I've wanted this for 87,000 years. I just saw someone walking around with it and I couldn't find it. And I got a cozy cone. What you got? 5 jumpers. Who are the jumpers for? Nice. Elio. Wait, that's $4.99. This Elio set is $4.99.
Yeah, this is for
So much good stuff in here. Did you go on the Disney Treasure? What you got?
Is it a bag?
Yeah.
how much is the big snow
You got any other ones?
No, just this.
How much that one?
35. Where you are.
I need these. Yeah, I'm getting that ready.
I thought you weren't buying any more Disney t-shirts.
Yeah, I don't think I need that, do I? I'm just buying that for the sake of it.
Look what I got for my headband to go in between Mater and Lightning McQueen.
If I hadn't have bought my one before,
Yeah, this is nice. Hold it out.
I do prefer my one with the white on it.
That's nice. Yeah, that is nice.
But mine's better, I think, don't you think?
Yeah, yours is nice. I like this bag too. Little babies.
Question stuff.
What's happened to Pooh?
Okay.
Don't know, babe. There's a kiddies figurine set. It's only $5.
What?
And there's a mermaid one. There's a Elio one, an Encanto one. I'll show you my T-shirt. Getting this. More park days. This is the most successful character warehouse trip I've ever had. Look at these. Like them. That's cute. I do like that long sleeve. I think it's just quite fitted, isn't it? We got red Loungefly or Lotso. I think Mum should get Lotso.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
And a Star Wars one if you're into that.
Yep.
We're not. Yeah, these are cute. $40 each. This one is cute, to be fair. So yeah, that's the character warehouse. Oh, I got 3 things: Winnie Lug, Cozy Cone Hotel, and the yellow T-shirt. And this T-shirt I'm wearing is in here now at $12.99. And I took the tag off mine this morning after buying it full price in November. Yes, you should get that.
Got that side?
Oh, that's nuts. Oh. I like that
You
side.
can wear it like that, or you can wear it like
You look like
that,
a donut.
or you can go cowboy style.
Oh, damn. Oh, it fell back down. 10 out of 10 though. You're not getting it?
No.
Terrible. Anyways, Mom telling me a boring ass story. But I'm so tired, my feet hurt. I want to leave. Can we go? Can we go? They make me shop for so long. Looky, looky, looky. It's Crumbl cookie. Crumbl cookie for life. I don't know if you can see the screen, but I put Mom's name as Mom. Mom. Did you get thin ones? Did you get big ones?
Yeah.
That's nuts.
What flavors did you get?
Yeah, that's the cookies and cream.
Oh, I didn't get that one.
We got that one,
Did you not get all the weekly ones?
that one. Pink cookie, because the pink cookie's good.
Oh, I didn't get that. How many did you get?
6.
Did you not get any of the specials?
Yeah.
That's 5. That's 5 specials. No.
We didn't get all the specials, no.
I got every one of the specials and then the cake.
Here is the cookies we got. This is red velvet heart cake, pink sugar cookie, cookies and cream cookie. This was called Mum's Recipe or something. Don't really know what it is. Sugar cake batter. And this one is brownie batter cookie. Yeah, they look smash. Ream. Can't wait to scran them. Time to scrandy pandy. It's so hot today. I'm in the car. They've gone to more shops. This is relentless. Gone to Hoka now. It's sweating in here. This car is not the one for aircon. The aircon is rubbish. But anyway, here's my cookies again. We'll provide a review very shortly. Crumbl cookie taste test time. Who's excited? Ready? What one do you want to try first?
I want to try all of them, so it doesn't matter.
Okay, welcome everyone to my mukbang. I'm gonna try sugar cookie. They're all very soft. I'm gonna try this. This is gonna be my favorite, I think. Pink velvet cake. That's good. Oh,
7 out of 10.
this one's quite soft, isn't it? How's it? It's very soft. Pink sugar cookie. It's nice, but it's very, if you'll pardon the pun, crumbly.
9 out of 10.
Yeah, good. Next up, cookies and cream cookie.
I haven't even got rid of the last bit yet.
Although, the most
Shut the lid.
10 out of 10.
Can you just hold the door while I get the down?
Hold the line. Right, made has been. Oh, says on the cookies and cream.
I don't want to be filmed.
Oh, she doesn't want to be filmed. Right, this one is called Mum's Recipe.
That one's good.
Yeah, that is really good. It's like cream cheese frosting. We don't really know what this one is, but it's called Mum's Recipe.
I think it's got a bit of caramel in it.
Oh, wow. Oh yeah, caramel.
Did Mum get it right?
Mom slayed that recipe.
Mm.
Mwah.
Mm.
Right, I think this one's going to be solid, so I'm going to do this one next. Brownie batter. This is the quickest cookie.
Why are we going so quick? I'm not even tasting the last one.
Oh, look how soft they are. Woo! I'll break this bit in half.
Oh, that last one was amazing.
Not sure. Oh, it's quite gooey on top. Oh wow.
It's like a brownie cookie.
That's a brownie. That's very good. Cookie everywhere. So far, cookies and cream is my favourite. What about you? Which one?
That one. And that one.
What about one?
No, that one. That one. That one. That's my least favourite.
I think this is going to be my favourite. Birthday cake sprinkle. Wow. That's on par with that one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So, the rankings are
1, 2,
yeah,
3,
yeah,
4,
yeah.
5, 6.
I would put this one above this one. I'd probably put this one last actually. I'd put this one last, that one 5th, that one 4th, 3, 2, 1. But yeah, absolute smash. 10 out of 10.
Wish we had a drink.
Wish we had a drink too. Never mind. Right, we're gonna scramble. Bye. Here is my haul from the outlets. What ones did we go to called? Vineland? She's not answering. I got this hoodie for my friend's baby for her first birthday. It's got Mickey ears. Got some sookies from Under Armour. Runners. Normal. I got this for Crispy. Lizzie McGuire. More Park Days tea for me.
What do you mean it'll not come out if you took it off? Oh my god, the stress has shrunk.
Oh, says dresser shrunk. A little topper for my headband for my Queen and Mater. And finally, Winnie lug bag. The haul went sideways. Everybody came in. That's nuts. Boy. Is it silly to buy this even though I don't drink tea? Just because it has Winston on it? That's so cute. And there's Minnie, Stitch, Pooh, and Woody. I was going to say Buzz then, but I didn't. Hot chocolate, peanut. Oi, imagine this. Squeezy peanut butter.
Squeezy BB.
Squeezy peasy peasy. Anything fun in this aisle for us? We've got some sauces. Wow, that's mine. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ugh.
Was that the sachets of the drinks there, Laura?
No. Seasons. Oh, I really liked that gravy I got before. It was like a creamy country gravy. Was it just
the Walmart one?
I don't remember. What's here? What's here? Hold the line. Gotta find the gravy. Found it. Put on chicken tendies. Oh, they got the Pooh Bear shaped honey. Pooh Bear? No. It's a bee. It's a teddy. This was Pooh Bear shaped last time I came and I didn't buy it. Now I'm sad. No, there's no Pooh Bear one. Oh, where have they gone? Where is everybody? I got country gravy.
Country gravy.
Got some buzz balls. I did have this before. It wasn't my favorite. Chick-fil-A was better. What next?
I need to get work candy.
Canned beans. Candy aisle. Oh yeah. Got the gum. Have you ever seen the things that you put on your tongue? I always look for them. Can never find them. Ooh. Nerds. Lifesavers. Them ones I had, did you try them yet? The Lifesaver gummies that I showed you.
I don't think so.
No, the rings. I think they're rings. Wait, look at this party pack of sour strips.
I know. So I was looking at last time, wasn't it?
That's nuts. I don't know what I want. I'll try these.
What's the biggest one?
Big is up here. Family size. You want that? Yeah, come on.
I've got to make up jars.
Making up jars for everyone at work is nuts. I haven't brought much candy. What else should I get?
We haven't really got any.
I want candy. Shall I try some Jolly Rancher freeze dried? There's just nothing in there. It's tiny. I don't know what to get.
Big gummy lifesavers, yeah. I'll just do those.
So much candy. So many chips. No, who's abandoning their Disney cup? I might get some chips. Dill pickle. Oh yeah, popcorn.
Sorry. Oh, and that butter?
Movie theatre butter is nice.
Or normal butter? Which one tastes like the one at the park?
What's that one? It's butter.
Just butter?
Yeah, you just want butter. Popcorn.
One movie theatre butter, butter.
Yeah, or just butter.
Yeah, on the butter, yeah.
These are quite cute. You get 12 mini bags.
6 big bags.
Oh no, classic bags. Yeah, I saw one the other day, and it did mini bags, like a single serving.
Oh, sweet and punch caramel.
For the poor people who live on their own, like me.
We'll try that one as well.
Can't see it. Hold on. Very successful Walmart haul. I think we.
Down the side of that car.
Ooh.
Can you leave this up there? So
Ooh.
you're going to have to take this back down.
It's put in the trolley bar.
I think we all spent about what, $125 there? 125. I think I did 140. Let me check for ya. Oh, yep. $146
Man.
on
Can
snacks.
you imagine if we all went into Tesco?
Snacks and trash. She got a kid on her lap. That is
She's
nuts.
actually getting ready to run out.
There's a kid on her
She's
lap.
actually reversing the baby on her lap.
This is crazy.
Can you imagine if we went into
Is
Tesco
this trolley
for
any
400
slower?
quid combined?
Yeah, I don't think I've ever spent £140 in Tesco's in my life.
Have you not?
No.
I have mine.
Yeah, but I'm only buying for one human. Oh, he ain't stopping. He's too busy lighting his cig.
Oh,
American drivers are feral.
it's gonna stop in a sec.
They're all... Why? We're beeping.
Oh, it's only stopping because it's approaching the end of the store.
So now we're going to the Cheesecake Factory. You stuck? Trolley stuck. Oh dear. That's nuts. What are you gonna do? Get the car.
There's a bay here. Oh no, there's a car going.
Oh, it's going.
Just stop, Jack. Just stop.
What is happening?
Who's she doing?
Who's hungry?
She's doing the trolley.
America is crazy. Everyone is so rowdy. Everyone's so moody.
There's a car space here.
Dinner time. Oh, it's a big cup. Cheesecake Factory. Is everybody getting cheesecake?
Yeah.
Oh
Sitting outside today.
yeah? No,
Quite nice sitting outside actually.
it's busy. It's always busy here.
Although he's sitting outside in America, it
Ooh.
reminds me of that time we went geckos.
Gonna get a big hunk of cheesecake
Yeah.
and some pasta. I always get the exact same thing when we come here. It's nuts. We'll show you. Sarah's got the Bellagio chicken pasta. Jack's got the pizza topped parmesan pasta. Wait, is that the only bit of pasta on top?
So then.
No, it's chicken.
Colosha's got 4 cheese.
Chicken pizza style.
There's a whole
Whoa.
chicken.
Nothing but loss.
Chicken.
That's a chicken.
That's
We are
nuts.
still waiting on bread, but as soon as it's
That's
up,
okay.
I promise I'll have it out.
Thank you. Wait, so is it mainly just chicken then? That's nuts. That looks good though. I haven't got any food.
Cheese that is.
Where's Loz's food?
Bloody love this.
Here's the pasta, no mushrooms.
Oh, thank
Put it down
you.
for you, so very
Oh,
well.
great, thank you.
No problem, everybody enjoy.
Nice. The plate's hot. That's ginormous.
The chicken we've got. The plate's hot, but the food's not really that hot.
Louisiana chicken pasta.
Is that going to be spicy?
I think it's a little bit spicy. So much. This is so big. I've got literally a whole chicken.
bag of pasta here as well, look. You want some more pasta? Go ahead.
Is that like pesto pasta?
Yeah.
That's so cream, yeah. Right. I've already flicked it down.
Wow.
That didn't take long.
10 out of 10, no notes.
Yeah, this is nice.
Sorry, I'm doing it.
I always get this. It's so yummy. He's like photographer extraordinaire.
Make photo shoot.
Salted caramel. What's this? Lemon meringue. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I got red velvet for a gastronomical 1,500 calories. Come on.
Have you tried the cream?
No frosting on that.
This is nuts.
See that one I find a bit too thickly.
It's 10 out of 10 every time. How thick the frosting is.
It's like biscuit.
Can't just eat the frosting, that's savage work.
What are you eating from the front?
Got loads of stuff on
This is
there.
one on the
Very
front.
happy.
You need to mix that in. It's got loads on the back.
No, he's finished on that bit.
What's the blondie like underneath?
It's nice.
I would give this a 10. Final stop of the day, Target.
Thank you.
He's not doing it again.
Mum wants a Sebastian stuffy. The lady who always tells me I don't need stuffies wants a stuffy.
I don't appreciate your attitude.
Should we get family vacation tops? Oh, sure.
It's Mother's Day.
It's Mother's Day, it's not Mother's Day.
It's Sunday.
You've had Mother's Day.
No, I'm an American Mother's Day.
Your Mother's Day is up. Oh, I needed a Toy Story t-shirt. I'll just borrow yours. Best friends?
I'm now literally farting.
She's farting in Target. That's disgusting. I would never do that.
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Can you not?
Sorry, the internet's
Can you look for...
gonna know.
Can you look for Sebastian?
Yeah.
That's Disney down here.
There's a lobster. Maybe not. That's a rocket. Oh my god, it's flashing. Help us! It's Diane!
For your convenience, our hours tomorrow are 8 a.m.
Oh, as if. Do you think there was a beaver here or Tom Lizard?
Probably, that would be the most popular.
Ah, I want it. There's a... Is that a lobster? Oh, as if there was no Tom Lizard. I'm fuming. You don't need a Tom Lizard. It's very empty in here. Where are the cutie cuffs at?
Oh no, look at that people.